Ever wished you could control your dreams? Soar through the sky, talk to a loved one who's gone? It's not fantasy, it's lucid dreaming. Imagine a world where your mind becomes a playground. You decide the rules, you create the scenery, and you even control the characters. That's the incredible power of lucid dreaming. The ability to know you're dreaming while you're still asleep. It's like stepping through the looking glass into a realm of infinite possibilities. Lucid dreaming is more than just a good night's sleep. It's an exhilarating adventure into the depth of your subconscious. It's a chance to face your fears, explore hidden desires, and even tap into your own creativity in ways you never thought possible. Today, science is beginning to unravel the secrets behind these nocturnal journeys. Lucid dreaming is no longer a fringe concept relegated to mystics and shamans. So, how does lucid dreaming actually work? It all starts with understanding the science of sleep. As we drift off, our brain cycles through different stages of sleep, from light dozing to deep slumber. It's during the REM, rapid eye movement stage, that dreams are most vivid and memorable. But what sets lucid dreaming apart is a heightened sense of self-awareness within the dream. While most of us passively experience dreams as if we're watching a movie, lucid dreamers develop the ability to recognize their dreaming while it's happening. This conscious awareness is key. It's like a light switch flips on in your mind, illuminating the dream world and gives you the power to direct the narrative. The beauty of lucid dreaming lies in its limitless potential. People from all walks of life have reported incredible experience, from the whimsical to the profound. Imagine soaring through the air, feeling the wind rush through your hair as you effortlessly glide over mountains and oceans. Or picture yourself diving deep into the ocean, swimming alongside dolphins and exploring coral reefs teeming with life. One lucid dreamer described their experience of visiting a futuristic city, complete with flying cars and towering skyscrapers that seemed to touch the clouds. They could manipulate the architecture of the city, change the shape of the buildings, and even create their own dream home. Another dreamer shared their story of reuniting with a deceased loved one in a dream. The possibilities are truly endless. The allure of lucid dreaming goes beyond mere entertainment or escapism. It offers a unique opportunity for personal growth and self-discovery. By consciously interacting with our subconscious minds, we can gain valuable insights into our deepest fear, desires, and motivations. Imagine confronting a shadowy figure in your dream and realizing it embodies your fear of failure. Lucid dreaming allows us to explore these symbolic representations in a safe and controlled environment, helping us to better understand ourselves. The power of dream control extends far beyond simply having fun in our dreams, although that's certainly a perk. The good news is that lucid dreaming is a skill anyone can learn. It's like learning to ride a bike or play an instrument. It takes practice, patience, and willingness to explore the uncharted territories of your mind. One of the most effective techniques is reality testing, which involves regularly questioning your state of consciousness throughout the day. Ask yourself, am I dreaming? And then look for inconsistencies in your surrounding. Can you push your finger through your hand? Do the hands on the clock make sense? These reality checks will eventually bleed into your dream state, triggering that aha moment of lucidity. Another powerful technique is dream journaling. Keep a notebook by your bed and write down your dreams as soon as you wake up, no matter how fragmented or bizarre they may seem. The act of recalling and recording your dreams strengthens your dream memory and increases your chances of becoming lucid. Meditation and visualization exercises can also be incredibly helpful. Lucid dreaming is a journey of self-discovery, a chance to explore the hidden dimensions of your mind, and a playground where the only limit is your imagination. So, are you ready to embark on your own lucid adventure? Tonight, as you drift off to sleep, set the intention to become aware within your dreams. Keep a dream journal by your bedside, practice reality testing throughout the day, and approach your dreams with a sense of curiosity and wonder. Your journey begins tonight.